Yes, hello everybody. My name is Tim Owens, and I'll be taking care of the solution and method resources for our review of medical marijuana, using the funds for basically for education, to get Oklahoma out of the cellar on education, get us back up in the top. Of course, the solution to the problem at hand would be getting the funding, using that marijuana sales with a designated excise tax and a percentage that would be applied directly to schools. Um, of course, leaving it open ended if we ever needed to have a special, a tax, say 2 days out of the year, they decided they'd tax this much on marijuana, X amount of dollars that would go directly to the general fund, or however you wanted to look at it. The method and resources, we need got to figure out a way for that money to go directly to the schools and not be able to be skated around to another area. It would need to be set in stone that this money comes in, this percentage goes to our educational system. An idea of that is to take a look at how Colorado did it. Of course, the excise tax on wholesale retail marijuana was 15%. Special sales tax on retail marijuana is 15%, divided between the state and local governments. And then, as you see at the bottom, it was split in three ways: by state school fund distributed to all school districts, to the general fund, and 71.85% of the 95%. So I mean, it's a good model. Colorado has done very well with it, as you can see. As we've heard on the news, they're doing much better in their educational stats. So I think this would be a good method for us to adopt as well and put our own numbers in.